Everyone, this is why I don't like eating in front of my dog. Jerry. Jerry. Look at his reaction when I try to eat it. This is why I can't eat with you. Look. He only wants to eat whatever I'm trying to eat. I gave him a piece. It's over there. You see? He doesn't want to eat it. And this one, he wants to eat it. Can you guys comment down below and tell me if your dogs actually act like this? And if, hey, a shout out to my cousin. He has a YouTube channel. I don't know what it is, but it's really weird. If you see it, my cousin of mine, the girl or the boy, please comment down below and tell me if your dog does